Hello, town meeting members. Welcome to the town meeting tablet tutorial video. This tutorial will feature 5 parts: unlocking the tablet and logging in, attendance and checking in, debating on town meeting floor, voting, and troubleshooting. Part 1, unlocking the tablet and logging in. When you receive your tablet, you will need to unlock the device. There are 2 buttons on the side of the tablet. By pressing the smaller button, shown in green on the video, the screen will light up. To unlock the tablet, swipe upwards from the bottom of the touchscreen. This will load up the login screen to the town meeting portal. Use your login credentials to access the online portal. IT staff will be available to assist you if you have trouble logging in. Part 2, attendance and checking in. After logging into the town meeting portal, you will be able to log your attendance at the beginning of the session. Once the moderator opens the meeting for attendance, you will be able to check in via your town meeting tablet. Underneath the text that reads, "Choose your vote," 3 options will exist. Number 1, yes, number 2, no, and number 3, abstain. To log your attendance in Batten Hall or remotely, select number 1, yes, and tap Cast Your Vote. Your town meeting tablet will confirm your attendance at the top right-hand corner of your screen, and the big screen in Batten Hall will display your vote. This is what your vote will look like on the big screen. Part 3, debating on town meeting floor. When debate on town meeting floor has opened, your town meeting tablet will display the following options: raise point of order, raise objection, and request to speak. To raise a point of order, tap on the associated button and select Confirm Action. To raise an objection, tap on the associated button that says Raise Objection and select Confirm Action. When requesting to speak, there are 3 microphone lines available for you to queue up. Once selecting Request to Speak, then select a line you would like to join by tapping the bubble next to the desired line and then selecting Confirm Request. Based on the order that town meeting members have queued up, the big screen in Batten Hall will display the order in which the moderator may select town meeting members to speak. If you are already in line to speak, you may change which line you are queued up in by selecting Update Speaking Request and following the same prompt as initially requesting to speak. Part 4, Voting. Once debate has concluded, the moderator will open the article for voting. Your town meeting tablet will prompt you to enter a vote of either yes, no, or abstain. To log your vote, select either yes, no, or abstain according to your support regarding the article in question, and then tap Cast Your Vote. The big screen in Batten Hall will recognize that your vote has been cast, and once voting is closed, your vote will be shown. Part 5, Troubleshooting. If you find that your screen goes dark during the meeting or you're not able to return to the town meeting portal, try these quick fixes to get you back on track. Don't worry if any of these happen during town meeting. The IT staff will be present to help you in Batten Hall. Your tablet has entered sleep mode if the screen has gone dark. Following these directions will wake the tablet. Holding the tablet horizontally, there will be a set of buttons along the top left-hand edge of the device. The smaller button close to the middle of the edge is the wake button. Pressing the wake button will turn your tablet back on and awake it from sleep mode. You may need to unlock the device by swiping up on the screen. It is possible for your tablet to navigate to websites outside of the town meeting portal. If you find yourself outside of the portal, you must locate the Home button on the top left-hand corner of your screen. The Home button is shaped like a house. To return to the town meeting portal, tap the Home button and you will be redirected. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you at town meeting.